Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle and this channel is all about taking a look at the hottest and the latest hair trends. One of the biggest hair trends that we are seeing at the moment is of course the look of salon-worthy hair which you can do at home. Now you can of course thank TikTok for this trend because we now know how to style and give ourselves a fresh blowout at home that can give us amazing salon-worthy results. So for this particular trend, you are going to need a set of rollers. One of the go-to selections are the Velcro rollers. And they, of course, help you to get a better grip on your hair. So women are kind of gravitating towards those. And there are many different ways in which you can utilize them. So we're going to check out some of the examples of girls styling their hair at home, as well as some of the examples of how women are doing it at the salon. So here we have someone using a curling iron and then pen curling their hair in order to set it. This is a great option if you don't want to actually buy the rollers yourself. And she's still able to achieve the same results. Next up, we have someone who has curly natural hair. So she's getting her hair blow dried and then using different sizes of the Velcro rollers in order to set the hair. This will save you an extra step from having to use the flat iron. And then here she is releasing the curls from the rollers. So because of this method, once again, she didn't have to worry about using the flat iron. Absolutely gorgeous results. And then we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. So she's going to be curling the hair with a curling iron. And like I said, there are many different techniques for this method. So of course, do the one that works best for you. And then here she is going in with the Velcro rollers at the top portion of the hair. So it looks like she only wants to add some volume to the top. And then we have someone releasing their rollers. So you can find these Velcro rollers on Amazon. And you can use them no matter what your hair type or texture is or the length of your hair. Gorgeous results. And then we have someone just doing the jumbo size rollers, mid-size rollers. So if you don't want the Velcro rollers to pull on your hair, the magnetic rollers are going to be your best bet. Looks like she rolled the hair when it was wet and then sat under the dryer. Once again, gorgeous results. So here we have someone at the salon getting this process done. She does have some layers in her hair. The stylist does the blowout method and then putting the rollers in to hold the curl. And bam, beautiful. And if you guys have tried this method at home, let us know in the comments below. How do you like to do this process? What is your best method for doing a roller set? Absolutely stunning. She was able to achieve so much volume with that blowout. So we have someone using a round blow dryer brush in order to do their blowout. She also has the Velcro rollers as well. So she blow dries the hair and then adds the roller. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful results. I love her hair color as well. And then we once again have someone at the salon. So she is getting layers cut into the hair first. And then the stylist is also using the blow dry and roller method. Once again, beautiful volumized hair. So I hope that you guys enjoyed checking out today's video. Hopefully you were able to get some major hair inspiration. Let me know if you'll be trying this trend out for yourself. And of course, if you want to see more hot hair ideas, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out this video next.